Shivabhivandan to all of you. Solapur is one of the biggest cities in Maharashtra, which is located on the border of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The name of Solapur city is included in the smart city also. Though Solapur is developing city. Solapur is known as Hutatma Nagari also. Solapur is also the city of festivals. The most important festival is Makar Sankranti. The procession of Nandi Dhwaj attracts the large crowd because of the special costume named Barabandi. The proud thing about Solapur is that Lokman Tilak was inspired by Ajoba Ganapati of Solapur, and he started Ganesh festival in Maharashtra.
Hello, I am Runalini Fadnavis, Vice Chancellor of Solapur University, Solapur. From very beginning, this city is well known for various issues, as well as this particular area of Solapur. It is also well known for heritage, industrial development, its progress in different areas. In British period, it has also separate importance in the system of getting freedom. So therefore, it is very important to have a part of this particular city and district. Our university is also single district university, which is recently named as Punyashlok Ahilya Devi Holkar Solapur Vidyapith Solapur. I am really happy that a lot of people are working in its development, and we are thinking that in education it will be differently having its name in the map of India. As well as I can feel that with the smart city tag, this city is progressing, and this is the initiative taken up by the government, and definitely a lot of things will be improved in coming years. Thank you and all the good luck.
Solapur is a multilingual city. Many languages are used in Solapur. Dominantly, Marathi, Urdu, Kannada and Telugu are used. Therefore, Solapur is a multicultural city where many festivals are celebrated like Diwali, Christmas, Ramadan, etc. Solapur is known for its university. Punyashlok Ahilya Bai Holkar University is well known. Thirdly, Solapur is the city of martyrs. Many people had sacrificed their lives for freedom of India.
Hello, I am Dr. Venkatesh Methan, an orthopedic surgeon. Solapur. Solapur is rich in flora and fauna. It's a paradise for the birds. Solapur is an excellent medical hub. Patients from nearby states as well as metros visit Solapur town for the medical treatment purpose. Solapur is a big exporter of grapes, pomegranates, apple board, etc. Solapur is known for textile industries, garment industries. It ranks number 1 in sugar industry. Solapur is the most happening town in India. I humbly request you to visit our Solapur soon. Welcome to Solapur.
Hello Solapurkars, this is Avijit Bhadange, and today I am going to share you some positive vibes about our Solapur city. Solapur is located on the border of Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh and also Karnataka. So in Solapur city you will find different types of people who are speaking various languages. Solapur is also famous for pomegranates and jowar and groundnut chutney, which is called as Shenga chutney in Marathi. Solapur is also famous for its chaddars. Daily more than 50,000 chaddars are being manufactured and also exported from Solapur. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Pramila Shingade from Sai Shori Beauty Salon and Training Center, Navi Pet, Solapur. I love to have born in Sholapur. It is a city of all religion, all faith and all weather. I feel proud when I heard the patriotism history of Sholapur. A blend of bhakti and recreation of Killa Bagh always feels the spirit of oneness. Hutatma Smriti Mandir is the center of knowledge and entertainment. Always I bend in front of Siddheshwar and pray for peace and prosperity for all of us. We are ahead in technology and that precision proved to the world in automotive component business. I love the tone of mother tongue that I speak being pure Sholapuri. You might have chowks and choharas in your towns, but the richness of Satrasta always attracts everybody. And last but not the least, you are always welcome to have idlis in Sholapur.
Solapur. Solapur, this word is derived from two words, Sola, which means 16, and Pura means villages. So basically our town is a combination of 16 villages. Solapur chadars and towels are very famous in India as well as at a global level, and one of the inscriptions on the Solapur fort indicates that our city was called as Sonalpur or Sandalpur, and Solapur Municipal Corporation was the first municipal corporation to hoist Indian national flag on the municipal council building in the year 1930. During the Indian independence movement, Solapur was the first city to enjoy full freedom, full independence from 9th May to 11th May during the year 1930. However, this resulted in the execution of Mallappa Dhanshetty, Abdul Rasool, Qurban Hussain, Lakshmi Narayan Sarda and Jagannath Bhagwan Shinde. These four people were hanged on the 12th January 1931. After this incident, in this city, our city was being called as the city of martyrs or the city of Hutatmas. And in order to pay homage and a tribute to these heroes who sacrificed their lives for our city, we have a Hutatma Chowk in our city, and we also have a statue to pay homage to these martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country.
Solapur. Solapur is a multilinguistic and multicultural city, also known as City of Martyrs and Manchester of India. The world's largest spinning mill belongs to the Solapur. Solapur is also good at transportations. It is having a main railway station that connects South India to the West and Northern West India. Solapur is a motherland for the many legendary personalities such as Dr. Dwarkadish Kotnis, a predominant writer Achyut Godbole, a famous film director Nagraj Manjule, actor Atul Kulkarni, actress Shashikala, and many more. Solapur is growing and developing successfully since the 12th century under the blessings of its chief deity Sri Shivayogi Siddharameshwar. Thank you.
Hello Solapurians, this is Priyanka Kori here, and I am here to tell you three special things about Solapur district. Solapur district is known for its chief deity, the Siddharameshwaram temple, and pilgrimage centers such as Pandharpur, Akkalkot and Turzapur. It is a medical hub as it has super specialty hospitals and many senior and expert doctors. People from all over Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh come for treatment over here. It is also an educational hub as it has an independent university and 6 engineering colleges, 2 medical colleges, 1 dental college and tons of graduation level colleges. Thank you.
It's famous it's for chadar, handloom, powerloom and BD industries, covering an area of 40,844.6 square kilometers. Solapur developed as commercial center for cotton and other agricultural produce. Solapur is a city located in southwestern region of Indian state of Maharashtra, close to its border with Karnataka.
Solapur is a cultural city. It has the wonderful culture. Solapur Siddharameshwar Maharaj marriage ceremony is the most loved moment of Solapur. Thank you.
Solapur leads Maharashtra in the production of PD. Solapuri chadars are famous in India and also at a global level. Solapuri chadars are the first thing in Maharashtra to get the geographical indication tag. It has been the leading center of cotton mills and power looms. The National Research Center on Pomegranate of India is located in Solapur.
I am Shakti Kolekar, a proud citizen of Solapur. Today, I would like to share a few things about Solapur. Solapur is a very unique place as it is situated on the junctions of three states, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Solapur is known for its textile industries. As we all know, Solapur chadars are world famous. Solapur is also known for its culture and festivals. There is a fort known as the Bhuikot Killa, which is built in the 14th century. Solapur is also known for it. As we all know, Solapur is famous for its language. Like most of the people speak with the word be, like Kai Karala be, Kutai be. Solapur language sounds a bit harsh, but people here are very sweet. Solapur is also known for its food. Like Solapur chutney, Shenga chutney is world famous.
Solapur is a unique place. It is situated on the junctions of three states, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Solapur is also well known for its textile industry. Solapur's chadars and towels are world famous. The deity of Solapur is Lord Siddharameshwar. So, I love my Solapur. Thank you.
I like all festivals and cultural background of Solapur. Solapur is a multilingual district. I am foodie and I love all Solapuri food items. The proudest thing is that 4 Marathis fought for their motherland and sacrificed their lives. Thank you.
Solapur is famous for its chadar, handloom, power loom and BD industries. Hipparga Lake is the first biggest lake in Solapur city with pollution-free environment. Solapur is blessed with very rich cultural diversities. You can find variety of food here. Thank you.
Namaskar, Ram Ram. Solapur is mainly known the village of pilgrimages, the village of saints, the village of multilingual and the village of jointer of 3 states. Now where I am going to tell you a little more about Solapur. It is a warehouse of jar where plenty of farmers produce plenty of jar. It is a leading district in the country for jar under area, production and productivity. To focus special attention on the Rabi Sorghum research, Solapur has a research center of Rabi Sorghum. Solapur's jar has got geographical indications tag. Mangaveda. It is the one of the most religious village Tahsil of Solapur, known the land of saint, as Saint Damaji, Chokhamela, Kanopatra and Gopabai and many more saints were born in this village. Nanas, it is located in Solapur district, mainly known for the Great Indian Bustard Sanctuary. It indicates itself as an international tourist center.
Solapur has great history of 4 martyrs who gifted their lives for freedom of country. Solapur has highest number of sugar factories in entire India. Solapur has the most spinning mills in the world.
Hello Solapurites, this is Preeti Kori here. Today I am going to tell you 3 special things about Solapur. The National Research Center of Pomegranate of India is situated in Solapur. Solapur is a multilingual city as people here speak Marathi, Hindi, Kannada, Telugu and many more languages. The Science Center in Kegaon is the 3rd largest and prominent scientific associations in Maharashtra. Thank you.